everyone, Carly here with Muzique. Today we're going to be making some music with shakers or maracas. So, we're not picky. Whatever you have. Baby rattles will work. If you have shakers, maybe you have some old Easter eggs, you can throw some beans or some rice in and make some shakers. If you don't have anything that fancy, all you really need is rice and 2 Rubbermaid containers. We have some shakers. So feel free to go make those. You can have so much fun with them. There's a lot to do. I'm here to show you a few songs that you could do. This first song is by Laurie Berkner. It's called I Know a Chicken. It's everyone's favorite. Every kid I've worked with, they love this song to use their shakers with. We do a little adaptation. We work on some speed, some volume, so you'll see, and you can get creative. And you can also just look our song up on iTunes or YouTube and shake along. I know a chicken, and she laid an egg, and she laid an egg. I know a chicken, and she laid an egg, and she laid an egg. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg, it's a shaky egg. Shake it fast, shake it fast, shake it fast, real fast, and stop. So, you can do fast, slow, you can do loud, you can do soft or quiet. You can do loud and fast. You could do soft and quiet. You could do soft and fast. That's a really hard one for them to shake it really soft and fast. And then loud, loud, and slow. That's a really hard one to do. Loud and slow. It's working on impulse control, working on following directions, working on using instruments appropriately, using objects appropriately. Listening skills, all kinds of things. That's a really, really fun song. Another song that I like to do is La Bamba, but I redid it, and it's Shake Your Maracas. So it goes like this. Go on and shake your maracas. Go on and shake your maracas. Shake them with me. Go shake your maracas. And we all go, ah, ah, ah. Go on and shake them quiet. Shake them quiet. Shake them with me. Go shake them so quiet. And quiet. Ah, ah. Go on and shake them slow. Shake them slow, shake them slowly, oh shake them so slowly, real slow. Go on and shake your maracas. So, there's Shake Your Maracas. Again, you can kind of get creative with it. You can do loud, you can do quiet, you can do soft, whatever descriptive words you want to use. But again, it's a simple melody. And by the way, if you know about guitar and you're watching me play guitar, both of the songs so far have been in the key of C, and all you need is a C, an F, and a G. Both of the songs I played so far. Just C, F, G, and then for Shaky Egg, it's a variation of those chords. But if you're one of those talented parents who knows how to play guitar or piano and you have one at home, feel free to learn the song and play with them. So I also have compiled a list of a few songs that I save that would be awesome for shaking, for your shakers. We have the Beanbag Shake song. Later on this week, we might do a little bit with beanbags. I'm not sure yet. But any song that involves a beanbag, shaking it, putting it on your head, anything with a beanbag song that you can find online or iTunes, you could still do with a shaker. Another awesome song for shakers is, well, we did the I Know a Chicken song. We have, where is it? Beanbag Shake, and also Shake Your Shaker Eggs. That's by We Kids Rock. There are some awesome artists out there that have put their songs up on iTunes and other places, YouTube, that you can find for those instruments. If you type in songs for kids with maracas, you'll be able to find tons of songs between YouTube, iTunes, Spotify that you can use with your kids this week to engage them in making some music while you're all at home together. If you have any songs that you might know that I didn't list, or I didn't mention a type of song or an activity to do with the shakers, feel free to comment down below. Put it on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, what you guys are doing at home, and tag us. Let us know what you're doing. We'd love to see how you're continuing to keep the music alive during a time where we all could really use more music in our lives. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with a new video, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.